For years, I have relied on a remarkable service provided by the post office called Informed Delivery. It'll update you digitally on your incoming mail without ever having to go out to your actual mailbox. I'm the CyberGuy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates. It's there also that you can get my free newsletter. The first thing you do is sign up for this account on the post office website. Go to USPS.com and you'll find and tap a little section called Informed Delivery. Then click Sign Up for free. Now you're going to fill this out, entering your home address, and then it'll determine whether or not you're eligible for the service where you live. Check the box confirming that you understand the terms and conditions, then click Continue. You're going to create a username and password, and then retype the password. Fill out the security questions, and fill out your contact information, and click Continue. You're going to be asked to verify your identity online, or you can request an invitation code by mail, or you can skip that step. Then click Enroll. Through Informed Delivery, you not only can track your letters, but you could also track your packages as well. It is a great way to stay on top of your deliveries and ensure that the arrival matches when you're home, because you don't want stuff sitting around, right? More tech tips at cyberguy.com. That's where you can also sign up for my free newsletter.